The Mageia 10 Linux distribution has officially entered public testing with the release of its first alpha build, giving users an early look at what's coming next and a chance to help improve the final release. After several months of development, this alpha marks a major milestone for the community-driven project, with the stable release planned for April 2026, exactly 3 years after Mageia 9. As with all alpha releases, this version is intended strictly for testing and feedback, not for production use. Mageia 10 is powered by the Linux 6.12 LTS kernel, ensuring long-term stability and modern hardware support. The distribution continues to offer multiple desktop environments, including KDE Plasma 6.5, Zone 49, and Xfce 4.20. For KDE users, the alpha ships with Plasma 6.5.4, along with KDE Framework 6.21 and KDE Gear 25.12. All built on the Qt 6.10 application framework. This combination delivers a modern desktop experience with updated tools, performance improvements, and the latest visual refinements from the KDE ecosystem. One notable change in Mageia 10 is the display server setup. The GNOME edition appears to be Wayland only, reflecting the upstream GNOME project's full transition away from X11. However, Mageia continues to offer flexibility for users who are not ready to make that switch, as both the KDE Plasma and Xfce editions still provide X11 sessions alongside Wayland support. This makes Mageia 10 a practical choice for users with older hardware or specific workflows that still rely on X11. On the graphics side, Mageia 10 includes the Mesa 25.1 stack by default for Intel and AMD GPUs, while NVIDIA support is integrated directly into the ISO images. This allows many users to enjoy proper graphics acceleration immediately after installation, without extra setup. In addition, most of the default applications across all editions have been updated to their latest available versions, keeping the system current and secure. Staying true to its roots, Mageia 10 retains the traditional first-time setup wizard, allowing users to easily configure language, keyboard layout, and time zone during installation. The familiar Mageia Control Center is also present, continuing the legacy inherited from Mandriva Linux, and providing a centralized way to manage system settings, software, and hardware. Under the hood, the alpha release appears to use DNF 4.23 and RPM 4.20.1 for package management. Mageia 10 Alpha is available as KDE Plasma, GNOME, and Xfce editions for 64-bit systems, with additional 32-bit support for the installer and Xfce images. Since Mageia is a 100% community-driven project, testing and bug reports are critical at this stage. If you decide to try the alpha release, your feedback will directly help the Mageia project polish Mageia 10 ahead of its final release in April 2026.